everybody. Jackie here with Jesse from Westside Roofing. And today we're going to be asking the question, why choose Westside Roofing to be your roofing contractor? There's a number of reasons, but give us the gist.
Yeah, I mean, it's kind of where do you begin? But I really think that any homeowner or business owner, when they look at Westside Roofing, I do think we check all the boxes that people are looking for.
Absolutely.
I think we're a family-oriented company. I'm part of the family. I'm third generation. Jamie and Chris Spacek, the owners of the company that took it over back in the 80s from my grandfather, have really adapted, just kept the company going, evolved the company throughout the last couple decades. Yeah. And then our workers, all the guys, it's one thing for us to scope out the job and more or less sell the job, but then we got to get it done and we got to do it the right way. Yep. So it's just, there's so many moving parts. The warranties that we can offer some of the top manufacturers within the roofing industry, we're certified with them, so we could offer that to our homeowners and business owners.
Extended warranties are a huge thing. Especially
in Northeast Ohio, Mother Nature is undefeated. So that's our biggest obstacle. And to have that warranty that we can offer is second to none. So.
And you guys conquer Mother Nature every time. And I want to go back to your crews for a second, because you guys don't really subcontract out to outside crews. You have your own guys, your own trucks, your own equipment, and everything on site. You've really grown over the years through this family business.
Yeah. Every year we seem to try to be updating our equipment, just our processes, our installation process, everything. So it's just, it's a process, but it works well. So
let's go through and dive a little deeper into these reasons by looking at some of your projects. Tell me about this one.
This was a project we completed last year, and it is for kind of from a distance, but it's a specialty shingle. So it's a different installation process compared to a normal standard shingle. So we had a specific crew on this job, and you could see there's a lot of cuts and valleys and corners. And so it took a lot of work, but I think it just turned out beautifully. This is house, actually right behind this house is right on the lake, and it's a standout project of ours.
Beautiful. So what about this one here?
This one showcases our Equipter. Again, it's a piece of equipment we utilize to handle all the debris coming off the roof. It's set up in a safe spot. We put kind of outriggers out into your yard. We even put padding down underneath those outriggers to protect your yard. And again, it's just, it's amazing to be able to get the debris out or from your roof safely into another piece of equipment. So it's just kind of showcasing that. Another roof that had a lot of challenges, so.
And that equipment is really newer technology as well that you guys are taking advantage of.
Within the last 10 years, we invested in those. And to be honest, we like to use that on almost every one of our jobs.
Yeah.
So.
Good reason for it.
This one is just a kind of a close-up shot. Another specialty shingle is called a presidential shake. A different installation process, but our guys are trained with that. And again, the roof wasn't too complex, but I think it's a cool pattern, and some of our homeowners really like those.
And your partnerships with some of the top manufacturers help you get those specialty shingles and have great warranties on them as well.
Yeah. This is just our standard. This is at the Home and Garden Show where we're set up, and usually in the February, March time frame in the off season. So again, we'll be doing it again next year, and we'd love to talk to anybody that's interested. So
now you guys also take on bigger jobs, more commercial work. This is a multi-family condo.
This is a condo complex. Again, challenges being so high up. It's about 3 or 4 stories up, but again, this is a complete new roof system, a tear off and re-roof, and again, a lot went into it as far as protection, all those decks and awnings, and just again, it had a lot of obstacles, but we have all the proper safety equipment, the proper precaution, and I think the roof turned out great.
Yeah, it's beautiful. Mm-hmm. This is a gorgeous roof, gorgeous house.
Yeah, this is a photo taken right after we finished. Again, this is a CertainTeed roof system, which is a manufacturer. We use all CertainTeed products, and again, a tear off and re-roof. But again, I think just a kind of photo, nice photo after we finished. So. It's another one in the fall time. We just completed again, and again, a new roof system, tear off and re-roof. We handle all the permits, everything to city and building codes. Again, there's a lot that goes into it just to go to the final process, but that's it.
Absolutely. And this is another beautiful roof you guys have done here.
Yeah, this was a roof, but also the siding.
Oh, really?
Yeah, we did the siding as well. And on the front, you can see we did like a vinyl wood shake. So it's like a fake wood shake look, like a premium siding panel. So it's kind of really that cottage feel.
Yeah.
On the sides has the normal kind of your standard vinyl siding panel, but on the front, they wanted to kind of put a little accent on it. So I think it turned out really great.
So you guys also do siding and gutters and even, copper as well you work with, and you do really unique windows. So this is a different type of roof, right?
Yeah, not the windows, but obviously the metal roofing above it. It's like an accent piece, so we could do that as well. So this is a part of a new roof system that we did.
So you guys also do steep slope roofs.
Correct. So this is part of a house where they want to do like an accent piece again. It's a specialty shingle. And so you can see it's a little different cosmetically compared to the roof below it.
Yeah.
The next photo.
This is the roof below it.
This is the roof below it. So it's this shingle is more of a standard shingle, but it's a 30-year dimensional shingle. But when it went into that kind of gazebo breezeway area, that's when it got into like the premium, like a 50-year shingle. So
yeah, absolutely. And this shows some of the copper work that you guys have done as well.
Yeah, this is a copper bay window. This is all fabricated on site. That's real copper. We actually buy 4 foot by 10 foot or 8 foot sheets.
Wow.
And bend it up, cut it up. We actually wear gloves as we put the copper on, so we don't. So it's a pretty cool process, but a lot of times it looks like a shiny new penny when we're done.
Yeah, absolutely. And this is a beautiful house, beautiful.
This was kind of a showstopper. This was a new construction, so we actually did the original roof on this. So this was not a tear off. This was when the house was being built, but you could see how much went into putting on this roof, all the pitches and the turrets and things like that.
Yeah, very unique home. And you guys have a great specialty in Ohio. There's a lot of churches, and you guys have done a lot of church roofs.
We have. This is an example of one we finished a couple months ago. Tear off and re-roof. Again, it's a multi-day process. So we tear off sections at a time, and this is the finished product. So I think it turned out great.
Yeah. So in terms of Ohio roofers, especially, Ohio's kind of a nasty beast when it comes to weather. And you guys, like you said, you check off every box. You go above and beyond. You guys do everything.
We do. Yeah.
You do everything.
It's just another day, but that's what we do. So it's again, we have a great group of guys and gals, our office manager, secretary inside. They do so much for us. But being a family company, we take a lot of pride in what we do. And we like to showcase that with every job that we go to. And we're not perfect, but we really, really strive to be the best we can be.
Absolutely.
So, yeah.
If you have a roof repair, if you need a new roof, if you're looking for a new roof system, whether it's new construction or a tear-off process, Westside Roofing is the place to go. Contact them by checking them out online at westsideroofing.com to learn more. Thank you so much.
Thanks, Jim.